My name is Mika Laitinen. I'm working in Fastems sales organization, and my role is to support globally our local sales managers in robotic applications. As Fastems is very well known about company making pallet automation, but we are doing a lot of robotic applications as well. And this cell behind me is presenting a quite good example of the flexible manufacturing cell for single machine tool automation. This cell is capable of running flexible batch manufacturing, including the functionalities, addition to part loading, unloading. We have a part wash, we have a tool automation, and we have also this kind of customer-specific quality control cell. So this cell is fully controlled by the MMS, which is a shortage from manufacturing management software. And the functionalities what the MMS can offer and provide is actually the connectivity to the third-party software systems like the ERP, the receiving of the orders, what the parts to make. MMS is continuously monitoring the tool lifetime in the machine tool, and then we are changing the tools when needed, and then we also downloading the tool data to machine tool when needed. MMS is controlling also the inventory of the raw materials. So when the raw materials are running out, we are creating the alert, and the operator will replace the new raw materials. And then, of course, we are executing the production and reporting the results accordingly. In cell number 1, we saw a good example of the flexible manufacturing cell where we automated the high-end turn wheel machine. But the cell number 2 behind me is actually a good example where we are bringing the same characteristics for the standard turning machine, which does not have a tool magazine. In this cell, the robot is changing the tools directly to the turret, which is then bringing the same characteristics and advantages of the flexible manufacturing as we can provide for the high-end turn wheel machines. The benefit of these add-on functionalities with the tool automation and plus the automatic setup change to the spindle is, of course, that now this kind of standard machine tool, standard turning machine is capable of also running the single piece flow, which was impossible in the traditional way.